Jopuonj mag mbalariany mano wasu onyiso sirkal mondo chulgi omenda margi maromo shillings bilion 7.9 kaka ne ondike winjruok margi mar higa 2017-2021. Jagoro maduong' mar wasu Laktar Constantine Wasonga wacho ni ripot makamano yango chung' margi magisebedo ka gikawo ni omenda magibandho sirkal en bilion 7.9. Chris Owino nigi ler.
Riwruok mar jopuonj mag mbalariany UWASU onyiso ichwang' margi kod duol mar SRC omiyo sirkal weche mag miriambo ewi omenda ma onego chul jopuonj mag mbalariany kaluwore kod winjruok mar 2017-2021. Jagoro maduong' mar UWASU Dr. Constantine Wasonga kod jotelo mamoko mag riwruogno oyango ni omenda magibandho sirkal en bilion 7.9 kaluwore kod report mar winjruok makamano.
Now you have confirmed that the figure is 7.9 billion. How I wish you released it. Because the ministry were represented here, SRC were here, IPCCF were here. What are you waiting for? You are the ones who came up with this figure.
Dr. Wasonga kod kweth mare ogolo siem na migawo mar omenda migawo mar somo kod sirkal ni jopuonj mag mbalariany ok bi dok e tich nyaka chulgi omenda makamano nyadichiel.
Shall not compromise on the payment of 7.9 billion, and it will be paid at one go, because history has taught us if we agree that it will be paid on or before, that is another strike. This time you clear with us is when we shall sign a return to work formula.
Wasu bende dwaro mondo keth oko duol mar SRC omiyo migawo mar somo weche mag miriambo ewi kwan mag omenda monego chul jopuonjre mag mbalariany gino ma oserocho weche mag somo e mbalariany mag sirkal.
The biggest problem in this country, and this is a piece of advice to the government per se, you better disband this SRC or overhaul it. Only two things. Disband it or overhaul, bring competent people.
All this time they have listened to SRC. SRC has now put them in shame that they are now finding themselves in. I don't even know how the CS or the PS are going to look like. Because they went out there saying, oh, unions, 624, unions are confused. Unions, they should go back to school. Who should now go back to school?
Wasonga bende ochayo sirkal kumtemo bwogo jopuonj mondo dog e tich, wach ma bende osir lwedo kod jaod bura ma Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro.
Stop threatening our members. Those letters you are writing to our members hardened them. And the next thing, the people who have wasted students' time should apologize to them.
It seems the government has totally abdicated its duty because we do not see the urgency on the side of government when it comes to handling the strike that is currently ongoing in our universities. And it is very appalling. And to make the matter worse, we have seen in the recent past that the government has now started threatening WASU and Kudheiha. Yet what they are asking for is the government to honor what the government has already signed in the past.
Ndindi Nyoro osoko wang sirkal omiyo pek weche mag siasa kendo dino itgi e ywak mag jopuonj mag mbalariany.
And therefore we are asking the ministry concerned, the Ministry of Education and also the National Treasury, please stop taking our universities into a circus. We need this money sent. We need the arrears paid to the beneficiaries so that our institutions of higher learning can go back to business as usual.
Chris Owino, Ramogi TV.